question set 22. In the question set 22, we should answer the questions related to the database that we created in question set 18 and the changes that we did in question set 19. Question set 2021 are the sequence of questions that we answer related to the database. So now in the question set 22, find the details of the students who participated in the singular subject in the examination held on this date. So to do that, let's take like this. We should use the exam marks DB that we created in question set 18. So now they're asking find the details of the students who participated in the single subject. So I got the error because actually we are finding the details of all the students who participated in single subject in the exam held on 2023-15. So for that we should write in instead of the equal. So now we got all the details of the students that participated in the single subject on the particular date. Alright, next move to the next question. Sandurban did find out the marks of the examination which student appeared on this date. Right, the date of examination, the term, number of admission, and the name of the subject. So we can write select. Actually, we don't want to write the name because they have given the name. So actually we need the term name, not the exam term is the table name. So to get the column, I will write term name. So that's this is column index number because both the student exam mark record table and the student table have index numbers. So I will change one to student index number. There we it. Now another problem is that doesn't give the answers we need. So we should check the code again. Select mark. Exam date. So the name is like this. Now we should get the answers, I guess. So right now we get the answers, the subject names, index numbers, term name, exam date, and mark. The problem I had is I just copy the name from the question set, but when we enter the data, it does something like this in Sandhu Media. That's the problem. So I checked it from my database and added the name. Let's move to the next question. Find the name, subject, marks, term of examination, date examination of the student who obtained mark between 40 70 in the subject mathematics. So let's change this query to get the answer for that. So we got the answers. Let me explain the query first. So I select the first name, last name, subject name, mark, and term name, exam date from the student table. But to get all those, we need to iterate the student exam mark record table, subject, and exam term tables using the particular ID. So I join student exam mark record table with the index number, subject with the subject ID, exam term with the term ID. Then I write the condition where mark between 40 and 80 and the subject name, mathematics, exam date, the given exam date. So that's the answer for the question 3. Let's move to the fourth question. Who is the highest score student first term of the whole subject? So for that we can write select. So we got the answer. Let me explain the query first. So they asked me the highest scoring student in the first term out of 4 subjects. So I should add the condition first term also. So actually the answer now is correct because I select the first name, last name from the student table where the index number equals something. So to get that index number, we should add another subquery. And in the subquery, I wrote select index number from student exam mark table the where mark equal. And to get the max marks, I wrote the select max mark from student exam mark table. And during the exam term, at the condition name, term name, and I wrote the condition here. So we got the answer as Amanda Moses. So Amanda Moses means 004. So if we go to tables data and student 004, so there's 100. That means the answer is correct. Thank you. Let's meet on the next question.